Hi, this is Michelle Rumschlag, Naturalist, and welcome to Virtual Experiences with the Hancock Park District. It's Friday, so we're hitting the trails. Today you're joining me at Litzenberg Memorial Woods, and what a great time to be out in the parks because we are in peak season here with our fall color. And I think Litzenberg is one of the best parks to enjoy those colors. So what I wanted to talk to you today about are some of the trees that are common here and probably in your backyard, and what colors are turning and how to identify them. So the first ones I want to talk about are some of our ashes that we have. So even though we had emerald ash borer come through and take out a lot of our ash trees, there's still a few that are kind of hanging on. So how to tell the difference is kind of easy in the fall because they each turn a different color. So the first one I want to talk about is white ash, and that's down here, and it turns a purple color. Kind of a reddish color even, but it turns that dark purple color there. Now with ash trees, they have opposite arrangement. So that means that the leaves are opposite each other. They have a pair on either side. Maples have this, dogwoods, buckeyes. So there's not many tree families that have this orientation. Most of them are alternate. And so another way to identify them would also be the leaf scar. So if you see a leaf that has fallen off, the leaf scar is more of a smile. It's kind of a crescent shaped. So that's going to help you identify that you're looking at the white ash, which is turning purple. The other one is called a green ash, and the green turn yellow. Again, the leaves are going to have opposite arrangement, and they're going to be very similar with the number of leaflets that they have with the white. So how do you tell the difference in the summertime? Well, with the green ash, the leaves are green on the top and on the bottom. With the white ash, they're going to have more of a white kind of underneath. But again, it's also looking at that leaf scar. So we said with the white ash, it's more of a crescent moon. The green ash, it's more of kind of a roundish leaf scar that it has. I know it's kind of detailed information, but again, it's a way that you can tell if you've got one or the other trees. It's been said that ash trees are real helpful to frogs because the leaves will fall into ponds, into vernal pools, and it's food that the tadpoles can eat. And they're not high in tannins, which it can be very acidic and not good for the frogs. So one thought is that because of the ash trees kind of going away, that is also affecting the frog population. So another one I want to highlight is kind of our, I think, key tree that we have here, and it's our sugar maple. And we have tons of them here at Litzenberg, and you can see by the color here and even above us, this is what, when you come by, you see that golden glow. If you've got a great sunny day, it's the sugar maple. And so it kind of varies what color it turns. It might be more orange, it might be more yellow or golden, or kind of a mixture in between. Some trees might have different colored leaves within that same tree. And you can see here, it's not quite faded. So what's happening with fall color? Well, with our yellows, our oranges, that color is there year round. It's just the green, the chlorophyll pigment that's over top of it, and that's what helps trees make their food. So as the light diminishes, we get into fall and into winter, they stop producing food and don't need that pigment. So our beautiful oranges and reds are underneath. With our purples and our reds, those are produced later in the summer. Again, as the chlorophyll kind of wanes, and you kind of see those beautiful colors that are there. So of course, sugar maples were very important to pioneers because they made maple syrup, which people still do today. So again, it's a great place to come out and check out our fall color. So I encourage you to come out and hit the trails, not only here at Litzenberg, but just wherever you can get outside and enjoy this fall weather. Remember, on Monday, we have Discover Stories at 1 o'clock. Thanks for joining me, and have a great day.